Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ninith Vlog SK.
I'm cooking egg, 2-piece egg. Now guys, the water is 76. Now cooking for 5 minutes. I take you one picture. 5 minutes. Hello, cook here. I take you one picture. Mira. Okay. Thank you. I'm waiting my egg. 70. Hey, come and see. 70. Nice. Thank you. 70 degrees. Cooking for egg. See how they can. I'm here now in spring hot water in Singapore. This is the only one in Singapore, guys. Can cook egg. You see? Egg cooking station. So the water is 70. That side, guys, can cook. The one is my egg. See how they can cook or no? Sure or no? The smoke come already. Oh. Wow! I'm steaming my hand. I can smell the water from the sea. Hot spring. Wow, the smoke, guys. I wanted to suck my leg, but the cleaning today is cleaning. They can see the side is about 2 p.m. so maybe I cannot wait. My auntie is here with me. She bring me here. This is the place with the hot spring water in Singapore. This is it, main water collection point. This is, guys, so nice. This the area is the cooking station, the cooking egg station. Remove all footwear. May mga paalala sila, guys. Follow mo lang, hygienic egg only can egg cooking station, not in the food. Cannot laundry, cannot wash, empty egg cooking station only. Yung iba hindi makapag-antay, guys. Nandoon na sila kahit nililinis. Ay, kamote ka dyan. Yung iba, guys, hindi makapag-antay kahit naglilinis pa lang yung tao doon, ho. Nandoon na, nagbababad na. Yung hygienic, oy. Na-allow. Walang water. Bakit pumasok pa kayo dyan? Nasa loob kayo. Florami, where are you? I'm here now. Where are you? Hey, Nami. Oy, already cooked. How many minutes? 5 minutes? Oh, heaven. 5 minutes. How many minutes? 7 minutes, no? 7 minutes. I'm waiting my egg. My egg. I'm cooking egg. The water is 70. See. Someone cleaning. So, hindi pa tayo pwedeng pumasok doon, guys. Para may babad ang mga paa natin sa hot spring. Kaya, nandito lang tayo. Nagluluto tayo ng itlog. Sana yung itlog na fresh ang maluto natin. Kaso, ano, itlog to ng manok. Hindi itlog ng, ano. Itlog ng manok. Larami, where are you? Ah, bakit? Hiniling. Dumilim. Ito na ba yung egg ko? Nagwawala na isang taong lalaki. Gusto nung magbabad, wala nga tubig eh. Pasaway, may mga pasaway na. Ay, India kasi. India people one. Ay, India. Hindi yan India. Ano yan? China. China people. How they speak in Mandarin so I'm almost 7 minutes already. See how my egg cook already or no?
Already.
See what happening, guys. Masi cook or na in 70 C 20 degree.
You try, you put your finger, finger cook or not?
Ayo.
Don't play do not 70.
Then guys, see how if my egg is cooked. Wow, so hot. I need umbrella. Cook on na.
Cook lah.
In 7 minutes.
7 already.
Yes. 7 minutes, guys. See, cook my egg.
Huh?
7 minutes, man. I think water. Oh.
Yeah, the water is so hot.
Messi, guys. Oh, see, not yet. 7 minutes, must 10 minutes.
Ken, I like that. You give me.
Okay, go. I don't want water. So I should pour in again. You pour in kid. I know, I pour in the side now. Never mind, I just.
No, Ken, put lah.
The side, no?
No lah, later very hot to take her.
Yeah.
Very hot. Oh, Jesus.
See, I
But
do
I like this side.
water. I bring.
Then you tell people you cook. Then after the egg, touch them. He said, now I have for job. Send me, I want to buy one.
All my team's friends and members. Thank you. Chippy TV. G. Gale. Amazing Charles.
What comes next? I'm just doing
Papa
my
D.
best, even though I'm so stressed out.
Rene Villasante.
Everything just feels like a test.
Greg Gilly.
When I can't seem to get
Julogs Vlad.
something deep inside won't let me
Lucas family.
I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't.
Flore TV Channel 22. Aizen Ichki. Bibi Barido. Rasmia Vlad. Balutske Vlad. Yum Yum Inducer, Wing France Vlog, Gummy Bear Vlogs,
Amisi ako AU,
Malud Saludis,
Doc Lex Style,
Inspired by thirst,
Handsome Vlog in Australia,
desire your worst.
Marine Chris TV,
I ain't tired, you first.
Sencha Official Vlog,
Verse about the lies you go
Jerpol
disperse. You
Angela.
shit, I know it hurts.
MGC Mix Vlog,
Lori Share,
Zach Lifestyle,
I feel so depressed.
Joe and Arlene,
Get out.
Master J, Mark,
Ruby TV Vlog, Leave It with April,
Know what comes next. I'm just
Shirley Tasty Creation,
though I'm so stressed.
Random TV by Coltribo.
D if Vlog.
When I can't see.
and see you.